Chosen one, have you ever pondered why blessings are so prevalent in your daily life? I have some news for you. You may not realize it, but you possess many specific powers granted by God. Chosen ones are individuals endowed with special divine abilities meant to help fulfill their unique purposes in life. These powers are not mere talents or skills. They are divine gifts bestowed upon you to navigate the complexities and challenges of existence. However, many chosen ones are unaware of these gifts. They might feel different or sense a special calling, but they don't always recognize the true extent of their powers. This unawareness often stems from a lack of spiritual awakening or guidance. It is essential to explore these gifts and understand how they can be harnessed to fulfill one's divine mission. The journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening is crucial for recognizing and utilizing these divine powers. 1. Spiritual sight. One of the profound gifts is spiritual sight, a divine ability that allows individuals to perceive beyond the physical realm and understand deeper spiritual truths. This ability is not about seeing with the eyes, but perceiving with the soul. It enables a person to discern the essence behind appearances and uncover hidden realities. With spiritual sight, one can see the true nature of situations, people, and experiences, going beyond the surface to grasp the underlying spiritual significance. Spiritual sight is incredibly valuable because it helps navigate life with greater clarity and wisdom. It allows individuals to see the connections between events, understand the reasons behind occurrences, and recognize the lessons that life presents. This gift helps to reveal the divine plan and purpose behind everyday experiences, making it easier to understand one's path and purpose. Having spiritual sight means being able to sense the presence and guidance of spiritual beings, such as angels or guides who are there to support and help. It also means being able to see the energy and aura of people and places, which can provide important insights into their true state and intentions. This heightened perception can guide decisions, enhance relationships, and promote a deeper understanding of oneself and others. Spiritual sight is not just a gift. It is a tool for spiritual growth and development. It requires nurturing through practices like meditation, prayer, and mindfulness, which help in connecting more profoundly with this ability, ensuring it is used wisely and effectively. 2. Miracles. Have you ever felt like something was too good to be true? Miracles are extraordinary events that manifest divine intervention in the world. These occurrences defy natural laws and are a testament to the power of God. For individuals endowed with divine favor, experiencing miracles can be a regular part of their lives. These miracles serve as signs of God's presence and active participation in the world. Receiving miracles is not just about witnessing astonishing events. It also involves recognizing the subtle yet profound ways in which divine grace operates. Miracles can come in many forms, from dramatic healings to simple moments of serendipity. Each miracle, regardless of its scale, carries the same message: that God is watching over, guiding, and supporting. The ability to receive miracles often requires faith and openness. A receptive heart and mind are crucial for noticing and appreciating these divine acts. Miracles can sometimes be overlooked if one is too focused on the material aspects of life. By cultivating spiritual awareness, individuals can become more attuned to the miraculous and more appreciative of the divine blessings they receive. Understanding and embracing the miraculous involves a shift in perception, seeing beyond the mundane and recognizing the divine in everyday life. It requires an openness to the extraordinary and a faith that transcends logical reasoning. This faith is not blind, but is a deep trust in the divine order and the benevolent forces at work in the universe. Experiencing miracles regularly can transform one's outlook on life, instilling a sense of awe, gratitude, and a deeper connection to the divine. 3. Healing power. The capacity to heal is a remarkable gift bestowed by God, operating on both physical and spiritual levels. Physical healing involves the ability to alleviate pain, cure illnesses, and mend injuries, while spiritual healing focuses on addressing emotional wounds, lifting burdens, and bringing peace to troubled souls. Channeling divine energy is central to the healing process. This energy flows through the healer and is directed towards the person in need. It is a sacred connection where the healer acts as a conduit for God's love and power. This divine energy not only repairs and restores, but also revitalizes, bringing about a profound sense of renewal. Using this healing power requires a deep sense of compassion and reverence. Healing is not just about the act itself, but also about the intention behind it. Approaching each healing opportunity with a pure heart and a sincere desire to help is essential. The healer must respect the sacredness of this gift and use it to serve others selflessly. Healing also involves a deep connection to the person being healed, understanding their pain, and offering comfort and support beyond physical remedies. This holistic approach to healing addresses the body, mind, and spirit, creating a comprehensive path to wellness. Healers often undergo rigorous spiritual and emotional preparation to develop and enhance their abilities. Practices such as meditation, prayer, and energy work are crucial for maintaining the purity and strength of their healing energy. Additionally, continuous learning and self-reflection help healers stay grounded and connected to their divine purpose. Healing is a journey for both the healer and the healed, fostering growth, transformation, and a deeper connection to the divine source. 4. Divine impact. The power of divine impact is a significant gift that allows individuals to positively influence and inspire their communities. This influence goes beyond mere words and actions. It is about embodying principles that foster unity, ethical behavior, and positive change. Through their presence and choices, these individuals shape the environment around them and guide collective progress. Leadership is a core aspect of divine impact. It involves guiding others with integrity, compassion, and wisdom. True leaders do not seek power for its own sake, but use their influence to serve others and promote the common good. By setting a positive example, they inspire others to follow suit, creating a ripple effect that enhances the entire community. Ethical choices are another crucial element of divine impact. Making decisions that align with moral and spiritual values strengthens one's influence. These choices demonstrate a commitment to doing what is right, even when it is difficult. Such integrity earns trust and respect, which are foundational for making a lasting positive impact. Those with divine impact often find themselves in positions of responsibility, where their decisions and actions have far-reaching consequences. They are guided by a deep sense of purpose and a commitment to serving the greater good. This selflessness is rooted in a profound understanding of their divine mission and the interconnectedness of all beings. Their actions are motivated by love, compassion, and a desire to uplift and support their communities. 5. Intuition. Intuition is a profound gift that enables individuals to understand things instinctively without the need for conscious reasoning. This inner knowing guides people toward making decisions that align with their higher purpose and divine will. It serves as an internal compass, pointing the way when logic and external advice may fall short. This gift is incredibly valuable in daily life. Intuition can help navigate complex situations by providing clarity and insight that is not readily apparent through rational analysis. It allows individuals to sense the true nature of people and situations, helping them avoid potential pitfalls and make choices that are in their best interest. Having a strong intuition means being able to trust one's inner voice. This requires a level of self-awareness and confidence in one's perceptions. Trusting intuition can often be challenging, especially when it contradicts conventional wisdom or the opinions of others. However, by consistently listening to and honoring this inner guidance, individuals can strengthen their intuitive abilities. Intuition is not just a mysterious sense. It is a skill that can be developed and refined. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and reflective journaling can enhance one's intuitive capabilities, allowing for deeper insights and a stronger connection to divine guidance. Intuition plays a crucial role in personal and spiritual growth. It helps individuals make decisions that align with their true selves, leading to a more authentic and fulfilling life. By trusting their intuition, chosen ones can navigate their paths with confidence, knowing they are guided by a higher wisdom that transcends human limitations. 6. Manifestation. The ability to manifest desires and bring visions into reality is a powerful gift. This power of manifestation is a divine endowment, enabling individuals to turn their dreams and aspirations into tangible outcomes. It involves the use of focused intention, faith, and action to create the desired results. Manifestation begins with clear and focused intention. Knowing exactly what one wants is the first step in the process. This clarity provides a target for the mind and spirit to aim for. When intentions are vague or uncertain, the energy behind manifestation is scattered, making it harder to achieve the desired outcome. Clarity helps concentrate the necessary energy and focus. Faith is another crucial component of manifestation. Believing in the possibility of achieving one's desires is essential for the process to work. This faith is not blind optimism, but a deep trust in the power of the divine and the alignment of one's intentions with their higher purpose. However, action is still one of the most important steps. While intention and faith are powerful, they must be accompanied by concrete steps. Manifestation is not just about wishing for things to happen. It involves taking deliberate actions that align with one's goals. These actions, no matter how small, create momentum and pave the way for the desired outcomes to materialize. Manifestation also requires patience and perseverance. The process may not always unfold as quickly or smoothly as one hopes. There may be obstacles and setbacks, but these are part of the journey, providing valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. By staying committed to their vision and taking consistent, aligned actions, chosen ones can bring their dreams to fruition. 7. Unconditional love. The power of unconditional love is a profound gift that connects individuals to the divine source of all creation. This love transcends the limitations of the ego and personal desires, allowing people to experience and express a pure form of affection that is selfless and all-encompassing. It is a force that can heal, transform, and inspire both the giver and the receiver. Unconditional love is characterized by acceptance and compassion. It means loving others without conditions or expectations. This type of love does not judge or seek to change the other person. Instead, it embraces them as they are, with all their strengths and imperfections. This acceptance fosters a sense of security and belonging, which is fundamental for emotional and spiritual growth. Compassion is a key element of unconditional love. It involves understanding and empathizing with the feelings and experiences of others. This empathy creates a deep connection and helps to alleviate suffering. When people feel truly understood and cared for, they are more likely to open up, heal, and thrive. Compassionate actions rooted in unconditional love can make a significant difference in the lives of others. Expressing unconditional love requires letting go of ego-driven needs and desires. It involves focusing on the well-being and happiness of others rather than on personal gains. This selflessness can be challenging, as it requires overcoming the natural tendency to prioritize oneself. However, the rewards of giving and receiving unconditional love are immense, leading to profound joy and fulfillment. Unconditional love is a transformative force that can change lives and communities. It fosters a sense of unity and connection, breaking down barriers and promoting understanding and harmony. By embodying and expressing this divine love, chosen ones can create a ripple effect that touches everyone around them. 8. Divine wisdom. Divine wisdom is an extraordinary power granted to those who are chosen. This wisdom is not merely knowledge acquired through study or experience. It is a profound understanding that comes directly from a higher source. It enables individuals to see the bigger picture, understand complex situations with clarity, and make decisions that align with the greater good. This wisdom guides individuals in their daily lives, helping them navigate through challenges with ease and grace. It provides insights that go beyond conventional thinking, allowing one to understand the deeper truths of life. Divine wisdom brings clarity in times of confusion, offering solutions that are not immediately apparent to the ordinary mind. Divine wisdom also enhances one's ability to communicate effectively. It allows for the articulation of complex ideas in a way that is easily understandable. This ability to convey profound truths simply and clearly is invaluable in guiding and inspiring others. Divine wisdom fosters a deeper connection to the divine source, creating a sense of alignment and purpose in one's life. In understanding and embracing these divine gifts, one can truly fulfill their higher purpose and make a significant impact on the world. Recognizing these abilities as gifts from a higher source encourages a deeper sense of gratitude and responsibility. It's essential to nurture and develop these gifts through practices that enhance spiritual awareness and personal well-being. Activities such as meditation, prayer, and mindfulness can help in connecting more profoundly with these abilities, ensuring they are used wisely and effectively. Moreover, embracing these powers requires a commitment to ethical behavior and selflessness. These gifts are not just for personal gain, but are meant to uplift and benefit others. By using these abilities to serve the greater good, individuals can create a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond their immediate circle. Living in alignment with these divine gifts fosters a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It helps in overcoming life's challenges with grace and resilience, providing a deeper understanding of one's path and the broader divine plan. Each step taken in harmony with these gifts brings one closer to achieving their highest potential and contributing to a more compassionate and harmonious world. By recognizing and developing these divine powers, chosen ones can navigate their paths with confidence, knowing they are guided by a higher wisdom and supported by divine grace. If you've enjoyed this content and wish to see more, make sure to subscribe. Your support is deeply appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay cool.